have it here for you. I wanted to go over kind of our checklist for this week because it's Monday, so we're jumping into week 5 of our world history class. So make sure you're clicking on the right link. Got to this through our class home document, also going to be sent out in an email for you. So again, remember the green's kind of what we're working on this week, the red is from last week, and the blue is kind of looking forward. So I'm going to kind of start with the red from last week. Just kind of briefly remember, you should have 3 assignments done by now. So of our topic. So you did the email and that kind of stuff before, but you should have turned in your River Valley assignment by now. You should have turned in your Ancient Athens assignment along with the discussion board that we finished up last week. And you should have submitted your Confucian and Taoist assignment. So those 3 assignments should already be done. This week, we're going to be getting topic 1.4 assignment on feudalism done. And uh, that's organized going to be found in Schoology. And if you're looking kind of ahead, next week is mostly time to be working on the Unit 1 exam, so studying for it and taking the actual exam. So you should have a little bit more free time next week or time to get caught up, make revisions, that kind of thing going into next week. So I want to point out for this week, remember all of our assignments have a tutorial video, so I would really encourage you to watch that tutorial video. The expectation this week is that you kind of get done with researching feudalism, making a slideshow, and there's a template built in there. And then if you want to make your post in Flipgrid, you can do that this week. It's technically not going to be due till next week, but maybe while it's fresh in your brain, you're going to want to. Kind of up to you. That would push you, probably into the 3 hour or beyond range if you're doing the Flipgrid. And kind of up to you if you want to get ahead or not. But those are kind of the options. I want to remind you that we have office hours up here. Particularly notice the Wednesday we have office hours throughout most of the day, so please be taking advantage of that because I know many of you can't do the other office hours. So as always, email me if you got any questions and have a great day.